Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your name in the PlantIn app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the PlantIn app. Here it opens up in My Plants. From here, we just have to go into More in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the cog icon in the top right corner. And then tap on the full name to change it. If you change it to something, we can tap on save. And yeah, as you can see, it's going to be displayed here. And afterwards, if you want to change it again, we can just tap on the full name again and change it however many times we want to. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.